So remember how Samsung kind of broke our hearts with the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen? Yeah, no Bluetooth, no air actions, just a pen. Not exactly the magical wand we signed up for, but it looks like Samsung might be ready to redeem themselves with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this time they could actually be cooking up something pretty wild. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check: over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. According to leaker Panda Flash Pro, who's been fairly accurate in the past, Samsung's apparently testing out some brand new S Pen tech. And no, this pen isn't going anywhere. But the digitizer, that might be on the chopping block. And if you're wondering what that even means, it's basically the part inside the phone that helps detect pen input. Without it, you need a whole new S Pen experience. Now, why would Samsung suddenly want to ditch that? Well, it looks like they're trying to squeeze in a Qi 2 magnetic ring, like Apple's MagSafe, for wireless charging and magnetic accessories. Yes, you heard that right. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might be the first Ultra with actual magnets in the phone, not just the case. It's about time. Plus, removing the digitizer could help slim down the phone, kind of like what they're reportedly doing with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That said, let's be real, removing one component isn't going to make it razor thin overnight. They have to do a lot more trimming to really make it feel noticeably sleeker in the hand. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. That news pen. It might actually be based on the same tech as the one being made for the Z Fold 7. And that pen is chunkier, has a new design, but still doesn't fit inside the phone. It needs a special case just to carry it around. Yeah, not exactly pocket-friendly. But if Samsung goes that route with the S26 Ultra, we might see the built-in S Pen slot disappear for good. Right now, it's all speculation, but the writing's on the wall. If the built-in slot goes, we probably won't see Bluetooth make a comeback either. The version of the S Pen that had Bluetooth and air gestures, that could be a thing of the past. If Samsung really goes through with this, thinner phone, magnetic charging, redesigned its pen, it might be a big leap forward. But there's a flip side. Some leaks are even hinting that Samsung could eventually ditch this pen entirely from the Ultra series, and that would not sit well with the stylus-loving crowd. So what do you think? Is Samsung heading in the right direction, or are they just trying to fix something that wasn't even broken? Let me know in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay techie.